All right. Got everything back in order. The spark plug was a NGK BP7. I'm just checking something here. BP7 RES, I think. The looks kind of a little off there. That's what was making me check that. Let's see what else. The spark plug. Found the fuel cap. It's a screw-on kind like that. Have one. I'm gonna put in 40 to 1. It says to put in 50 to 1, but I like to go with 40 to 1. I'm gonna put some oil in it. Gonna adjust the carb. I'm gonna do one. I'll go ahead and do that now. I'll go ahead and back it all the way to where it stops. Both the high and the low, they're way off from the one that it calls for. The high was kind of close. Let me spray that out a little bit. Okay. Okay, that's 1 for the high. And that's 1 for the low. And I'll leave the LA alone right now. Okay. I'm going to pause it. I'm going to fill it up with some gas and some oil. Alright, it's all gassed up. We've got, now it's late. Started at 7:30. It is now almost 3 o'clock. So don't want to wake the neighbors up. Alrighty, so what we're going to do is we're going to put it in choke. So I'm not going to run it. Okay, I'll do that tomorrow. But I just want to go ahead and finally get a video of it starting for the first start. I really need to have it on the ground. I guess I'll pick it up. Ooh, it's got a lot of compression. That was choke. Choke it again. That very well could be that carburetor. But also it could be working out some of that oil. So it runs. I'm going to work on it more in the morning.